Hello, friends. Vinay, your licensed immigration advisor from New Zealand. Uh, we continuing our coverage of, making the video and bringing you the information on the base of ABS, accurate, brief, and simple. Uh, Today's video is very important with regards to COVID-19 update on New Zealand. What's happening as of 26th of March 2020. We'll cover what's happening in New Zealand and very importantly for number of our clients who are the viewers who want to know what's happening with regards to the visas, whose visa is expiring very soon. So we'll be covering all that. So just everyone else, I'm working from home, as you can imagine. So uh, starting with the COVID-19 update for New Zealand, of course, uh, Thursday, 26th of March, midnight, the national emergency has been declared, which means everything is closed except the supermarkets, clinics, and pharmacies, which are like essentials. So there are some utility essentials which are in exceptions, but it has been instructed that you must stay at home and do not leave your home unless it is really urgent with regards to if you're going for your grocery shopping or for uh, seeing a doctor or want to get your medication. But again, there's some, you travel as limited as you can, but yes, you can still go out for a walk. Try to, that's been recommended not to uh, you know talk to other people. Just live in your bubble. If you're staying with your family, of course that's your bubble. So that's the situation as of now. The number of cases till 9:30 a.m. today, there were 262 confirmed cases, and there've been some probable cases. It may go up to 282, but the good news is there are 27 cases who have been fully recovered, and the the good thing is in New Zealand, of course, the government is taking actions uh, proactively. So the national emergency has been declared. The level 4 has been, put into place, which is like taking action beforehand. Hopefully, it wasn't too late. Time will tell that, but I think it's you know uh, taken a right step and preempting the situation. It has been mentioned by the government that you can expect the numbers to rise, in the range of even thousands before they start going down. Hopefully that doesn't happen, but just so that the public is aware of that situation. But other than that, things are, of course, you know, uh, uh, people are asked to stay at home, you know, look after your family, look after children, look after the elders, and drink a lot of water. And that's the situation. Now, coming back to the immigration side of it, there have been a epidemic management notice issued with regards to the immigration matters. So, but this will come into action from 2nd of April. What does it mean? It means anyone whose visa, the temporary visa, visitor visa, student visa, work visa, or interim visa, or even limited visa, were expiring between 2nd of April to the July date is, let me just confirm that, yeah, 9th of July. So 2nd of April 2020 to 9th of July 2020. If your visa is expiring during this period, it will be automatically extended up to September. And the September, yeah, 25th of September. I just want to make sure that I'm giving you the accurate date as per the instruction or the advice from immigration. So if your visa is expiring, temporary visa expiring between 2nd of April to 25th of to 9th of July, 2nd of April to 9th of July, so your visa will be extended automatically to 25th of September. Sorry, 25th of September. So, which means you don't have to worry. You will get the emails from immigration about extension of the visa. And yes, the important thing is if your visa is expiring before that, before 2nd of April, then you need to apply for your visa online, and you will get an interim visa for 6 months. So understand that there might be some documentation which you're not able to provide. Suppose if you can't get your police clearance because of your country's lockdown where you belong to, if your home country is locked down, you can't get your police clearance. Or if, as far as the medical is concerned, although clinics are open, but maybe uh, you can't get the appointment to provide the medical, so you can put that as a uh, re- uh, in the online application where you have to upload the police clearance. Just put a letter mentioning that due to the current lockdown situation you are not able to provide that, so you will get the interim visa, and you can, of course, can provide that information once the things get better and you are able to do that. So that's really important. So just to repeat this, if you are from 2nd of April to 9th of July, your visa is expiring, then you don't need to do anything. It will be automatically extended to 25th of September 2020. But if it is expiring before 2nd of April, then you need to apply for a visa, and you will get an interim visa. In case any document is missing which you can't provide, you can provide a covering letter to cover that part. Because of this situation, I mean, of course, immigration offices offshores are closed. Mumbai, Manila, Beijing, they're closed. In New Zealand, they're they're working on a very few staff, skeleton staff, and they're only looking after the cases, the special cases of related with COVID-19. If someone or like there are some exemption on humanitarian ground, or someone who is a health worker, a visa of health worker who is need to be in New Zealand, or in some cases of Pacific countries where their travel is essential. So those visas are prioritized. So probably you may not able to get in touch with immigration. You can try if you're lucky, but because they're working very, very, in this situation on a very short staff and prioritizing different uh, uh, visa as mentioned, so probably you might not able to get all the information. So we thought probably we could do something from our side for the community. So what we are planning, like for just to start the tomorrow, uh, uh, 4 4 p.m. New Zealand time, uh, on our Facebook page, Immigration Law Advice NZ Limited, New Zealand Facebook page. I'll be live from 4 p.m. New Zealand time for half an hour, and happy to answer if anyone has any questions. And we can talk about what are the updates going on with regards to COVID-19. But happy to answer any questions anyone have. And I understand many, of our viewers who are in New Zealand, they will have some doubts, and as well as someone who is overseas. So it will be 4 p.m. New Zealand time, and it's Friday, 27th of March, 4 p.m. New Zealand time. I'll be online for half an hour to on Facebook page to answer any questions you have, and we can give you an update of how the things are going. Uh, I wish you all well. Look after yourself. Drink lots of water and take care. Thank you. Cheers.